Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about our stock picks for the week of August 9th through the 13th. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content, and hit that notification bell. That way, YouTube can let you know when we release new content. Other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. All right, guys, so before we get into the stock picks of this week, we're going to recap the picks from August the 2nd through the 6th. Picks were Alibaba, Gnog, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, UVXY, and ARDX was a bonus pick that we kept an eye on because they got beat down so much that previous week. All right, guys, so we talked about Alibaba trying to catch it in about the 190 to 195 range and riding it up to about 200 to 205. As you see, it started off at about 196, popped up to 201, fell back down to about 192, and then rose up to 202. So you could have done a couple of swings on it throughout the week if you were kind of patient and watched it. Kind of almost, it pretty much finished exactly where it started for the week. So overall, in the 5-day, you almost would have had to kind of day trade this if you were trying to do a swing play. Golden Nugget Online Gaming got as low as 11.21, finished the week out pretty well at 12.27. We do have earnings on this one coming up, so I expect it to maybe take a little dip early in the week and then hopefully start kind of running up closer to earnings. And if earnings are good, then we'll continue our move to the upside on it. UVXY had a small little pop up to about 30 bucks and 50 cents, and then slowly, gradually started coming back down as the market fell down as well. And then ARDX was just basically choppy. It hasn't done anything as of yet. I think this one may just take a little bit longer to recover. I thought maybe people would come in and buy some shares up, maybe pop at 5 or 10%, but this one was just kind of a dud in my opinion. All right, guys, so my picks for the week of August 9th through the 13th is Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX, NIO, ticker symbol NIO, and then Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG. Ideanomics, guys, had some press releases come out last week. A lot of short interest, but a lot of institutional buyers and a lot of momentum as far as social media and on the stock boards and things like this. This is gaining traction again, and I think that we're due for a pretty big move to the upside. And I'm looking for this week to, I don't know if the move's going to be coming this week or it's going to start to come this week, but I do expect this to start moving gradually more towards the upside, towards that $3 mark. And currently at 250 or below is a good buy. NIO, I believe they have earnings this week, maybe on a Wednesday, and I'm expecting them to kind of have a decent little pop as well at some point during the week. And Golden Nugget Online Gaming, guys, I think that hopefully if we can hold in the high 11s at least, that we could potentially start making our way and try to bust through that major resistance level of 13.95, which we'll show you in the charts in a second. The watch list, guys, we're looking at SIRC on Monday and Tuesday, and I'll tell you why in a second. And then Zion Oil Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. We're expecting some type of press release coming out soon on it, and whenever we have that, this thing's going to shoot up and I think easily double. So for those of you who are holding, I would really kind of watch closely on Monday or Thursday. That's when the higher percentage chances of a PR coming out for this particular company if they decide to release one. All right, guys, so looking at Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX, we had a decent move to the upside, got as high as 256 from 234, decent percentage. Right now we are overvalued, so if we do have a little pop to the upside, I expect a small dip, maybe back down to that 250 level. So let's say we pop up to about 260, 265, probably fall back down to about 250, then hopefully we can bounce off and push through that resistance of 265. We have to get above 264, 265 and actually hold in order to confirm a longer term trend reversal to the upside. So I'm very, very curious to see how this week plays out for Ideanomics. We have a longer term, it looked like a cup and handle pattern, but it almost looks like we're trying to form one here. If we can pop up to about 322 and then bounce back off of that 265 or higher, even at $3, that'll be really, really interesting to see how that plays out over the next week or so. Next up, guys, is NIO, ticker symbol NIO. Had a couple of sell signals late on Friday this thing can fall down and bounce off of that $42 mark here roughly, then that would be a very, very good sign for us moving forward. If we come in Monday, Tuesday, and it starts falling and it kind of stays around this level, then it looks like we'll be undervalued, and I think that's turning into a good setup for a swing, because you can see the pattern here. Every time we touch undervalue, we pop right back up, and we make a good recovery on it as well. So Golden Nugget Online Gaming is the next one, ticker symbol GNOG, and we have been rejected several times, guys, at this SMA line, and this is a big test for us here. Can we get above basically 1250 and hold that level? If we can, I feel really good moving forward over the next couple of weeks heading into earnings. We are almost overvalued, so there's a good chance we can pop up and fall right back down, but as long as we hold and don't come all the way down here, I'm going to feel really, really good about this setup right here. So I wouldn't buy, if you're doing a swing play, I wouldn't buy right here. I would wait for it to dip down further into the 11s. If you're a longer term investor, in my opinion, that this is, I mean, anything under 15 bucks, in my opinion, which is well under 15, is a good buy. So we're going to talk about SIRC, which is one on the watch list. This thing here is trading at about 40 cents. SIRC on Monday, guys, is getting some press coverage. We're going to talk a little bit about that. So let's go down here and kind of give you the lineup here. So Monday night, August 9th, 2021, New to the Street TV welcomes David Macy, CEO at Solar Integrated Roofing, ticker symbol SIRC, who talks about the fantastic growth of the company's unique solar power, roofing solutions and products. He explains their integrated single-source solar power and roofing systems for both residential and commercial applications. Furthermore, Mr. Macy gives an overview of its brands and the company's broad array of solutions, including sales and installation of the solar energy systems, battery backup and electric vehicle charging stations to the roofing, HVAC, and related electrical contracting work. He provides an overall analysis of the solar industry and explains how SIRC positions itself to benefit in the growth of solar usages. So this is one to keep an eye on, guys. I'm going to try to somehow catch this. I've never heard of this TV station before, but if I can catch that, that would be kind of cool, and I can cover it and do a video on it. But this stock here, guys, is, as you see here, a while back. Last time it was around this level. It shot straight up to about $3. That was back in February, and depending on the coverage that we get on this TV and the actual exposure, could see a pop on Tuesday morning, or you never know, Monday it may come out and start riding up in anticipation of it, and then possibly sell off on Tuesday. So if we sell off on Monday, then I can see a potential run up on Tuesday, and vice versa. If we rise up on Monday, I can see a potential sell off on Tuesday. So just keep an eye on it. I'm not too familiar with the stock, but I'm going to do some more research and probably do some more coverage on it as well. Golden Nugget, I'm sorry, not Golden Nugget, Zion Oil and Gas, guys. We see we have another little green Doge candle here, but that can go either way. This could easily turn into a red candle and fall back down to about that 30-cent mark. So we've been talking about this one for a while, and I've been talking about how I saw it kind of consolidating around this level and potentially running up off of some news and PR, but we just have to have it, right? So if we have a big break above this little channel here, then I see us moving high up. We got to get above 46 cents and hold in order to confirm a longer term reversal, and we got to bust above about 58.5 cents in order to get our next level, bust through that first level of resistance and attack the next one. So if we bust through about 58 to 60 cents and we hold, next level up would be 83, and then that 58 would act as support. So guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Make sure that you like the video if you found value in today's content. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this content and want to see more of it, and hit the notification bell. That way you can let YouTube know that you want to see more of this content. They'll notify you every time that we release a new video. Also, guys, comment below on what you would like to see more coverage on, and what are your stock plays for the week, and what do you think of mine? Do you think that some of these will pop? Do you think that that they'll go down, or do you hold any of these? Let me know your comment below. I'll make sure to respond to you in a timely manner. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.